Okay, let's take a couple minutes to look at the outline that's due tonight. I want you to take a peek at this here. And here is the assignment right here. So be sure to read that. Now, I want you to come down and look at audience analysis. You don't have to put anything in that spot there, okay? You can leave that blank. Now, you put your topic in. Make sure you keep the outline template the same. Don't change anything. And then all your information, you turn off the bold. I'm going to go over some common mistakes here. So one of the first ones is general purpose. It's to inform. It's your only choice. You can't do anything else but to inform. And specific purpose, you start them all out with, after listening to my speech, the audience will be able to, then you put in what your goal is. You cannot have the word and in there. You can't have two goals. You can only have one goal. All right, and next is the thesis statement. It's one declarative sentence. You cannot have the word and in there. You can't have a comma in there. You can't have a semicolon in there. It's got to be one simple declarative sentence. And look back at the in the topic or the thesis assignment we did in the three things speech. You can't use the words and, or, but, because, therefore, however, so forth, all those sorts of things. Now, in the introduction, the attention getter, you can only put in a narrative. There's a lot of things that can be attention getters, but for this assignment, we're doing only a narrative on it. So you have to write a story and it relates to it. Now, why is this topic important to the audience? You have to put in, don't say that's important to you because nobody wants to be told what's important to them. But we say things like many people are looking for ways to save time. Many people are looking at ways to hook up new equipment, or people want to make life easy. Whatever it is, you have something in there. And then when you restate your thesis, write it word for word in the front matter. And then come down, any of your main points down here, they cannot have the word and in them. They have to be the same main points that you put in up here. So make it word for word when you go through it. Also, evidence, all evidence start out with the word according to, according to, according to, according to, and so forth. Don't forget to put your spots in there, but those are the biggest mistakes. And down here where it says reinforcement, tie down, clincher, come down here and look at the definitions of those, and then put a narrative up there too. All right, we're about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but I wanted to make it quick for you. So I hope this helps out, and I look forward to seeing the outlines tonight.